Good morning, good evening, good night. If it's 1 or 2 in the morning like it is right now for me, as you can see 12:55, then this is right for you. So today I'm just going to go over something super simple. All it is this worksheet that's here. If you want this worksheet, it'll be down in the description. I'll copy and paste the link. That way you're able to just simply copy and work on it yourself. If you want to do if you're doing homeschool tutoring, or if you're homeschooled in general or need extra practice, I'll do my best to have all of these worksheets in the description so that you're able to follow along and do them yourselves. Okay, so we'll just go over these first four that are here. The very first thing is your equation, your digits, and the correct answer. The reason why they give you the digits is because this is the answer that they got. So as you know, 4.2 times 5, when you are multiplying decimals, it doesn't necessarily have to line up. The main thing is you just want to line it up based on what numbers you have available, right? So you have 4.2. Now, when you are multiplying, you go up first and then you go to the left second. So 5 times 2, that is going to be 10. 5 times 4 is 20 plus 1, which is 210. As you noticed, you already got 210 here. All they're asking you to do is put the correct answer. The only thing they failed is to put the decimal. Now there's only one number behind the decimal, and that is 2. So we're going to start with this, and we're just going to move it one time. So your answer is going to be 21. Knowing this, we're going to move on to the second one. You have 0.6, one number behind the decimal, and 0.4, which is another number. So that is two numbers behind decimal. Okay? So if we have two numbers, we're going to start at the end. 1, 2. Our answer is going to be 0.24, not 24. Over here, 125 and 3. We have our answer here, but it's incorrect. We have 1, 2 numbers behind the decimal, so we're going to start on the right side here. 1, 2. And our answer is going to be 375. Now this one's going to be a little tricky. We only have two numbers here, yet there's 1, 2, and 3 numbers behind the decimal. So we're going to start 1, 2, 3. We're going to add a 0, and we're going to put the decimal. So our answer should be 0.025. So the rest of this worksheet that's here, you're going to have simple multiplication problems. Just to give you a small example, when you have two numbers, 2.5 and 1.4, you can line those up. What I do see a lot is students getting very confused as to how they should structure this. So I see kids do 15.2, and automatically this is a whole number, so they'll want to put it right here. Now, you're going to get confused if you do something like this. So I always recommend just move it to the back. The only time, and let me put it in red, not the eraser. Only time you line it up is if you do adding or subtracting. So if this was, let's say, minus 4, that is when we'd move this 4 over here so we can line up the decimals. If we're adding, same thing. But since we are multiplying, so we have 15.2 times 4, this is okay. And that's the one key thing that I want to make sure that we know with this. So if you like this little video, leave a like, subscribe, let me know what you think about it, what else you want to see, even your own tips. I have seen different comments about how they figured out some problems, and I've liked the routes that y'all are taking, especially if you learn a different way. So